Lenge kamsan thering kinyen siga pe buding lenge changmol ka se shigi thering kinyen don din na nga chik puch me ngi gidela mi pe mixe change thi morang ngi ngondu ni banang la lo shimbe lo man chig re ani morang gi thering nga chu kinyen don din na ro ko che re ani zo thering nga chu kinyen don di khari me na nga ran su dung thone inji jangai ki le sen chi yore ba Tei ngaran sugi channel thola ni gi den dung shi nga so sare ra ni ngaran gi dung tijo che sum ngaran zu na thangbo gi lok tek te den do shim bare ra thing dung sum sar sare ta thare dung shi pa di lo yi ani cheju gi dung lo ro chi re ni gi te shi cha ba she ani lenge nga cheju nga zu changma thare gi dung di ta gi thingen la kisilenge chonga zu channel thol thema thangbo phejo ani subscribe nang gi ro ji na changmo lo la khamsang yaming la kisum si yo nga zu den da ta pa Pegetone inji jang ki nyin thuni ni tangi yore lingi so pege shinge pata pegetone inji jang de na inchi nga channel to subscribe na share ra la so ani nga so tung go ma chung la cheju gi ngode chung cheju ngode
tashi dile my name is Pimata Sammo I am 9 years old I study in preschool too. Today I am going to read a short story named Mittu and the Yellow Mango for you all.
Lasso, ani tangan tisu mango magani tisu ga chere. Gosugo. Lasso lingi nge lingi su che dung de dewa chikla shaw ra an siju ki loktem na ne tag tag chin lo ai lasso an go zu yi siju
Mittu and the Yellow Mango.
Lasso dung gi ming la Mittu and the Yellow Mango langi Mittu lana ne zo chiori ra ani Yellow Mango lan am se u chikla ra lasso
Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak.
Lasso come to share okay Mittu was a parrot was le du sambola nga zo gi desing na le chaswa the thangshu di desing na indu ta dung sangma desing na cha sare ro ne khala gor le na Mittu di parrot chik ne so chire swa ani a green parrot ki color di green che with a red beak le na ne zo gi chodo chyo ro char gi chodo shto dila nga zo gi beak le ro red beak yo res chodo ma yo res ani
One day Mittu was flying.
Nimachik Mittu kharchi deore flying lana cheju pur deore yes
he loved to fly.
Ko khare chigor lana ko pure la pe go yo re la love lana go yo barra
He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree.
Right. He looked down. The ko fly chi di pur di so bol ke ma mik ta re la ra. Ani he saw la na see ta wa gi de chi ro kyo khare thong re la na big yellow mango on a tree. Shingdo chi gi kang la mango seu chimbu chi thong res. Okay.
Mittu liked mangoes. I went to eat.
Di khare went na di Alera ni WANT
want to eat that yellow mango, he said.
Right, Mittu liked mangoes. Right, Mittu khari go yorle so mango go yores. And kyo khari labre double inverted comma na yona kecha sheba dere. Right, kuki I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. The Mittu neso dekhale re nga mango seu de sange thu du lare. Right, ani
He flew down to the tree.
Okay, and he flew down to the tree. Leti koya parnane ma tree shindo diga ma phirne leres. Okay.
Kaka, go away. This is my tree. Said a wise Mittu.
Right? Now come check one. Kaka, go away. CAW ka di chida ninga zo poro yo ra crow ki sound o jigla ka la go ra ani poro thangmunya la poro lan de ke tim the voice na said a voice ni ke chi khore ro jablo ni ke di khare la go na ka phaju go away right this is my tree di nge ke shindo yin nan la right amen
Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Kaka, go. The crow shouted.
Okay, right? the mitu looked up mitu shindo ni ya ta resra and kharichire kuige he saw kui kharithon na big black crow poro naku chimbu thong res poro digi ka labra phaju la resra poro digi shouted lani ke yabres ani
he had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away.
Ani he had a very loud voice. Poro digi kepe chimbu yores ra. Ani Mittu kharichire Mittu was afraid lana shinang ke warwa. Mittu poro dilape shere sonzang ko flew away ko pa phirni dores ra. Dingam dunga zo paragraph sum sare da ra cheju gi goni chini changma chindeng so chetu chik logre.
Mittu and the yellow mango. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Kaka, go away, this is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Kaka, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of
This
afraid
AF
of
RAID
afraid
kharsa
of the crow. He flew away.
Okay tanga zo digam baza ta mitu poro de la shene pha phirre la di chasra ta dijela khari chik du ta ora khasi sabra chase okay ta inda tijo
Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea.
okay right tijo gi HAD de la this chik tu de lo hat mala che hat right okay Mittu saw a red balloon right Mittu ki khari chire gambu mahu chik thong re la so ra and gambu mahu de khwala du la so seju it was under a tree la na
Shindo jiwakla
dusra ani ko khari he had an idea ta ko la ripa chinye res right ta ko khari chi do
he picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it.
Okay, right? He picked up the red balloon. Na dekho red balloon diya dugrelar, right? Ani kharchi do. He was careful not to burst it. Kope sab chiyores. Kharchi nani kyo gambuti kharre matore chedu burst nani khewar, right? Gambuti ma khewa chedu pe sab chiyores. Ani kachire?
He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree.
Right? Ta khachilana he flew to the mango tree. Ta ko rangja yang am gi tongbo de damla phirni do restaurant. Ani crow poro de kharchi de do sitting on the tree lana shingdo gangla de yores de shimbare dus Mittu went behind the tree. Mittu kharichire shingdo gi gyablo la chin res, right? Okay, ani
He pecked the balloon with his red beak.
Big right. Big lana gela gi neso gi chode rela swara chodo di red big kyu color karre do.
Marpo
Red do. Ani pack lana kharichire so chugwa. Right? Mittu ki kharichire red balloon chirwa dila so chug reler ta khachire gambu pop chirwa ani
pop. The balloon burst. It made a loud noise.
Right? Ta kuiki shingdo gyablo la balloon mau ni yo de ki kola regba chine swara ta kyu kharichire na balloon mau de la kurangi choto big chung ne red big di chung ne gambu di torre ra ani kharichire to na sound thingro pop lani kharchire gambu di bird charle du khere lerwa it made a loud noise and gambu khejo de kepe shuk chumbu che ta chare le right ni
Ka said the crow.
ani poro di kharre ka le ni ke shang bu chares ani
and he fell off the tree.
ra ani kho khar chire shing do ni ma zar re le ra poro de ni
Kaka, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away.
ra ani ka le ne poro gi ge yer ra a big gun is after me ra menda chimbu chi ngala menda chimbu chi gya gi du menda chimbu chi ngi gya bro la du ra ani kho khachire he said the crow poro gi dendel la ni kho khachire he flew away tene ko shingdo dine pha phir ni thodo res ra ani
He never came back to.
kandes
He never came back to the tree.
tene poro ch do crow di gi shingdo de la rangja kho kyu ne lo ne le ma re la ra
Mittu came to the tree.
tene poro di male di sule tu tha mitu came to the tree shingdo de la mitu le re la ra ani
He ate the big yellow mango.
ani khugi kharchi do yellow mango chimbu di kharchi re ate na
Sour.
sour is
Yummy. What a nice mango, he said.
ah shimbala le ra yummy le ra what a nice mango ah kati ramru cha mango kati ramru cha le ra mango kanti yabudu le ra ani
He said he was very happy. Clever Mittu.
clever le na
Clever labna. Kibuju.
mare chambu
Champo.
ra he was very happy mitu pe gares ra mitu ki chambu shere mare shamba ko am sange thuna mango sange thuna poro digi phaju samo ul na ra ani ko gi ko chambu thajo de ma thana ko sa ra gre kurang idea jinye so red balloon di kurang gi big ki pack chi an kola ra so ra ting an gi story re ra ta thangi cheju ta dusni story cha re ine ngan reading chi gi inda ra dingen la paragraph sum de cheju lo cha ra ta dil hangma dini cheju gi changma chi lo ra cheju dini inda
To show a red balloon, it was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Ka! Said the crow, and he fell off the tree. Ka! A big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Mittu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy. What a nice mango. He said he was very happy. Clever Mittu.
lasso ani dinyam dong ji tung chaware cheju gi reading chi che swara ta nge gi leng so che reading story thangbo ne chen changma chu pa dala chi reading cha che an dinyam dong ja chagi yortarwa Mittu and the yellow mango. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Ka, go away. This is my tree, said a voice. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Ka, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pop, the balloon burst. It made a loud noise. Ka, said the crow, and he fell off the tree. Ka, ka, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. Mittu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever Mittu. Okay, dinyam dengan zugi story tawayi. Lhinge sola. Seju nyabu sungse. Ya udah story nyabu sungse. Ani lhinge soya daringi nyedung de do chungyo da jik cikashe cikshia do da pen tobo chungyo ni rewa chigi ye. An daringi nyedung do tawayi ma benya la kisi lhinge songa channel to subscribe nangyo ina kondu shiba na shinji subscribe nangro na shaya. Ra ani de sula ngi Instagram ge ngarang ge handle khajan de shaura kisi lhinge so Instagram page nangyo yo bata. Tiji na ngi handle le chik pen siro na follow nang de chuba na follow nangro na shaya. Ra an thinyam do daringi nyedung de do tawayi. Henge sama lo cuma nyentuh nangkep tu je kira wajib ye, ani lasu sama jauh sih go. Oh, saya thank you lah, thank you lagi channel lah tu spend di dung lor cuma tu lah. Cuma chung se.
What chung
Cuma go, saya cuma go ni ranja yang yo dung, yo cik lagi ngan senyum tu lah tu cik lagi segi cik tanya thor tu cik cuma ini chen ke section lah saya lah cik ayau cik support cik na je, right? Okay, bye.
Bye.